This is Dylan from The Lifestyle Trader, and today is 23rd of November 2016, and time is 7:44 p.m. in Singapore. All right. Well, in any case, let's kick off with the first currency pair, Euro against the Japanese yen. Now, I was really trying to identify and trying to capture a major reversal or the major retracement, as I do expect that the appreciation of the dollar and the weakening of the Japanese yen is pretty much going on for too long and too extensively. So I thought that there might be some major retracement and stuff like that, but it doesn't seems to be happening, and it still seems to be strong. And rather, it just went for a period of consolidation and a pause, and right now it is seen to be resuming its trend again. All right, so and I really don't want to miss this trend another time after seeing so much. So right here in the 4-hourly chart, we can see that if you look at the day chart, now let me just remove the Fibonacci. Okay. So if you look at it, we have seen that now this was the major resistance zone. All right, this was one of the major resistance level, and the price is closed above it, and you can see that there's no sign of pullback at all. So this still shows that the strength for this currency pair, Euro against Japanese yen, or Japanese or the weakening Japanese yen, is still really there, is still strong. So I kind of believe that the price will soon break above. And of course, into the smaller time frame, the 15-minute charts, we have also seen that the price has completed another retracement channel in this time frame. All right, put it this way. Okay, the first retracement followed by the second, supported at 80.6%, rebounded off, breaks above, and still going up strong. So what's going to happen is we will be, or rather I'll be waiting for the price to break above the previous swing high. All right, break above the previous swing high, and the best if it breaks above the major resistance zone, and I will be waiting for retracement again and to look for the buy opportunity. But the retracement this time round, I will be more looking for minor ones, because if this breaks above, the trend will be strong and retracement will be short, while it will resume appreciation faster than usual. So that is what I see, and especially for the game pass when the trend is really trending. All right, so that's for the euro against Japanese yen. So since I'm talking about euro yen, let's talk about dollar yen as well. Same thing is happening. Well, so basically in the day charts, okay, we are still seeing that the candlestick is still very strong, and all the way into the smaller time frame. Right, same thing is happening. Retracement channel done, or rather, one minor, two minor, there's a third minor, and supported 80.6%, start to appreciate, not as strong as euro yen. All right, but however, we are seeing that the price is making small retracements, supported at the top of the retracement channel, and is now starting to rebound off again. It may shoot up very suddenly if the strength, or rather the buying spree comes back again into the market. And I also, at least I'm still expecting the price to appreciate all the way into the resistance zone, close enough to the top, before it really before there's really a major take profit and stuff like that that cause the price to fall further. But if not, it still feels that the whole market sentiment, it still feels that the dollar is still strengthening, and again it's still weakening. So we'll be looking for buying opportunity from here. This is somewhere that you may want to consider to buy, since it has retraced, not really retraced, but going sideways, retraced a little bit. But whatever it is, if you want to buy right here, definitely you will still have to set your stop loss below 88.6%. And for dollar yen, I would recommend 30 pips, because this is 30 pips, 30 pips. Well, there's already 3 retracements, so maybe 20 pips is enough. But in usual case, if it's just 2 retracement, I'll recommend at least 30 pips, because dollar yen, or rather the yen pairs has become very volatile. So you would really like to have more buffer for your stop loss. All right, and now next, let's look at Kiwi against US dollar. Um, in the day chart, we have seen that it has been supported at the bottom of the major rising channel. And of course, secondly, it is supported at the bottom of the major support zone, and the rebound off has taken place. But however, it did not rebound all the way and breaks above the previous swing high here. So there's still chance that it will start to fall further, or maybe after the retracement right here, then it goes up. You can see that this is an inverse head and shoulder formation, so that's still possible. One way to look at it is that the Kiwi US dollar can still appreciate, because the dollar may still continue to strengthen, but the Kiwi may start to strengthen again, because yes, it has already fallen extensively as well, since Wheeler mentioned that the currency is too strong. So that sentiment itself may have already died down, and that will cause the Kiwi to rebound off again. So, but whatever it is, all the way into the 1 hourly charts, okay, you can see that it is forming a channel. All right, retrace once. This is the first major retracement. Waiting for the second major retracement to be completed at retracement level 61.8%. That's the point that I'll be looking for buying opportunity. Or if all the way into the 15-minute chart you're looking to sell, it is still possible. Actually, right before this, there was already 1, 2, and third one, three wave of retracement, and resisted at 80.6%. So I was actually looking to sell, which I did, but eventually it is coming down too slow. I decided to shift my stop loss to my entry price in case things goes the other way around again. So, well, it hit my stop loss and earned a few dollars as well. So it is now coming down again, but most likely I will just be waiting for the price to fall all the way back to this level to look for the buy. In any case, this is just about 28 pips, so well, I think I'll just wait for the price to reach the bottom and look for buying opportunity again. All right, so that's for Kiwi against US dollar, but nevertheless, it is still possible that the dollar is so strong that it still causes the Kiwi dollar to break below the bottom of the major rising channel as well as the major support zone. If you look at the recent depreciation, it is really still very strong. So this could be just another retracement, and then it will just continue to fall again. So there's just two ways to look at it. But I believe there's still opportunity to buy right here. But of course, I would suggest to wait for some strong pullback, pin bar, I mean long lower shadow, that kind of candlestick. You look for buy. Okay. Now, so that's for Kiwi against US dollar. Next, I will be talking about Euro against the pound. All right, one special pair for you to look at. If you look at the day charts, or rather all the way to the weekly chart, it is something very old. Okay, there used to be a major falling trend channel. Price broke above, and finally there was a very strong retracement down. It is still seen to be quite strong towards the downside since it started to fall, and now it is falling within the channel. It has broken below numerous key support levels. So it is still I mean I will still believe that it might still continue to fall further, and right now it is forming a channel as well. One wave, two waves, probably the third wave, and we will see how. And right now is that the price has already completed two major retracement. Okay, one right here, second one right here, pretty much between 61.8% to 70.6% of the Fibonacci retracement level. So it is probably time that we can look for the sell right now. And of course, the stop loss, you definitely still have to set above 88.6%, 20 pips at least. And that's pretty much for it. But consider that this is a major retracement. What you may want to do for stop loss is that you plot it this way. This is one major, this is the second major. Put it this way, put it this way. I hope I'm still in time. And somewhere right here, add another 20 pips. So it is still pretty much close to 80.6, so no much difference. Either from here or from here, you add 20 pips. I'll give you the price about 0.8654. Okay, so that's for the euro against the pound. And with that, 10 more seconds, I have come to the end of the video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.